Alright, we're working on this 1942 Breedy again. Mike is here, and Mike took these valves home, and he redid them. He did a beautiful job, Mike.
Yeah, that's just the grind. So
yeah.
We still have to lap them in yet, but yeah. We took all the grooves, all the wear out, and we're ready to go back on this.
What I did here, Mike, is I took two head gaskets, and glued them together with shellac, you know, that Indian head stuff. So if you take that off, it should be good.
Okay, what's that? Just to take up any of the leftover clearance there?
Yeah, because I didn't want to take a chance. I mean, I think somebody had ground this down before. That's why it was so rough and warped, because it looked like there was pitting there.
Yeah.
So when I filed it down, I took off a lot off the head and off of the.
Yeah. Well, look at the machine. I mean, it's a pitted machine, so it's probably very likely. So, well, we'll get them valves lapped back in, set the tappet clearances, and then what else?
That'd be it.
Our ignition system's good now, right?
Yeah, I'm only going to set up a temporary gas thing because the one on there looks like it's going to leak and stuff. So we're going to get this running tonight.
Yep.
We're done playing with this.
That's right.
We got better fish to fry.
That's right. Big projects, ongoing projects to do.
Yep.
Alrighty.
See how Mike is doing over here. And making out, buddy.
Oh, pretty good. I got the intake valve here lapped in with the coarse grit, and I'm just doing the exhaust valve now. And I think it's going to clean up pretty well. The seat, that is.
What do you think of the guides? The guides are pretty tight.
Let's see. Yeah, they're not brand new, but what else do you know? What you don't need any more than this for the age of the thing, you know, and what it is. What you're going to do with it?
Somebody's going to love this machine.
I think so. Yeah, they're going to clean up nice.
All right, keep going, buddy.
Alrighty.
Let me see the little gauge block you hooked up, Mike.
Yeah, a little V block.
Just a V block, and you have a square with a hole in it. Doesn't even have to be centered or nothing.
No, just as long as it's a 90-degree V, and then the hole is perpendicular to the faces or parallel to this face. So
that's pretty tight.
Just to hold it. I mean, it doesn't really help us with this back and forth play here, but at least it's a means to hold it steady. So.
Well, we wanted to get goofy. We had the thing there, but that always has a little play in it too.
Yeah, and if I figure if you set it in and then you spin it in a circle,
you'll be okay.
Make it concentric at least.
Yep. Yeah, we've always had good luck with everything else. So why stop now?
We're not going to the moon with it.
No, not yet.
Oh boy, it's just when the tappet's down, when I put a little pressure on it, I can feel a bit of drag in the feeler gauge. So I'm gonna leave it.
I was gonna say that spring will make it good.
Yep. All right.
That's a heavy spring too.
The intake is what, 8,000s here? Yeah.
Yeah.
So let's check and see how far that's out. 8,000s. So 8,000s gauge.
Probably the clean one.
Yeah, probably got to take maybe a quick little clean cut, but that's about the same.
Wow.
A little bit of drag. I'm tempted to just leave this right here.
I do it.
Let's see what's the tip look like. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. Yep.
All right.
Ready to go. Put the springs on, put the head on, and
gas her up.
We're moving along.
All right. Good deal, buddy. All right. I'm making out, buddy.
Now the valves are back in. So I'm going to just squirt some oil in the cylinder and throw the cylinder head on.
All right. Good deal, buddy.
All right.
All right. What are we doing now? I got the header on. Now you're putting the carb on.
Yeah, I got to hook up the throttle governor linkage there and get the carburetor put on.
All right.
Let's put the front shroud on. Got good compression here. Good spark. Oil in the crankcase, so it should go.
Okay. Everybody's waiting.
All right. Shroud on. It's also the tool
All right, let me know when you're ready.
Go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, I'll hold it up. It takes 2 people to hold this.
Where's our fuel at?
Turn it up, buddy. Take it for a ride. Glad you don't get gas on you. It's coming out. I put too much gas in there. Wow, look at that. You can't hold it back, can you?
It wants to fall.
Well, that thing's running nice.
Yeah, how about
But then
that?
it should.
For what it was?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, one of your belts is off, Mike.
oh, it is. I think that one's a bit too big.
Huh.
They're 2 different sizes.
I wonder why there are 2 on there anyway, in case one breaks.
Well, probably for better grip. You know, it's a high quality machine.
Tilt it down the other way. There you go.
Oh, at least the gas is better. Oh.
Yeah. Oh well.
Power.
That is, man. That's pretty cool. Oh, you know what? I think that one belt broke.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
No, it's kind of old, man. It's happy little engine.
Yeah, listen to that.
No smoke either.
Oh, yeah. Maybe the oil pump ain't working. Nah, I would hear that knocking.
Who'd have thought?
Look at Mike. Mike's happy.
Doesn't take much. Oh, I think it broke the other belt.
Now, there you go. Here, stop it. I'm going to take that belt out.
Oh, yeah, it snapped it.
Yeah. Good, I got it.
Yeah, I could not hold it back. Okay. Now you need a car.
Yeah. I'm going to shut it down. Alright, wow.
Like it was made to do it.
Wow. Considering what that engine was, I'm surprised it runs as well as it does.
Yeah. There's fuel off.
And I thought the car was going to leak, but I don't see anything leaking. The only thing that's leaking is that jury-rigged gas can we got.
Yeah, well, let's see. I don't know if we still have an issue. I don't see
No.
anything dripping.
No. I don't see nothing dripping.
Good.
Wow.
Usually these things are so prone to
Yeah.
issues.
Yep. Looks like I was worried that this was going to leak because I put an O-ring in there, but it wasn't the best.
Yeah. Well, we'll keep a fuel shut off on there anyway, just for good
Yeah.
measure.
All right. Well, I call it a success, buddy.
Yeah.
Load it up. We're taking it to Jacktown.
That's right. For sale.
For sale, buddy. All right. What do you say? Enough of this?
Enough of this. Good times.
All right. See you, Tubes. Hope you enjoyed that.
Yep.